Hey everyone, Chris here. Hope you're doing good. So, today we won't be analyzing charts or drawing up trading ideas. Instead, I'll share my opinion on the current topic, which is none other than the trade war between Trump and China. I don't want to get into politics, but Trump is right with the protective tariffs. No matter how much the proponents of free trade don't like this, the fact is that China is cheating. The world included China in the WTO because it thought that it would play fair, but it wasn't the case. China expects to be able to flood the world with its export items, to be able to buy companies, patents, and technologies outside its borders, but if a Western company wants to enter China, it can only do so with heavy restrictions. Also, their state companies are padded out with cheap loans, so they enjoy a competitive advantage worldwide. So, if China doesn't play fair, the West has to offset this somehow. Even though Trump's method may not be the best, something does need to be done, right? What does seem likely is that this trade war will escalate. So, what kind of impact might that have? Number one, the increase in price of import items will increase inflation in the US. Number two, not too good news for Europe because China might drop their goods off here that they didn't sell in the US, which may lead to disinflation in the short term. On the whole, this isn't good for the stock market. It points mostly toward further increase in interest in the US and a decrease in interest expectations in Europe. In theory, this should be good for the dollar. The long-term outlook has already been pretty bleak up until now, I think. My opinion for the past couple of months has been that if we look at an average of the next 5 to 10 years, the passive yield available on the stock market will be close to zero. And, of course, the trade war only enforces this view for me. So what do you think about this? What effect will the trade war have on the stock markets? Thanks a lot for tuning in. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.